Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to have some reading for our Aquarius babies and what's ahead for their 2024. And bago tayo mag-start doon, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like Instagram, and meron din po kami doon mga items kung gusto po nila mag-avail. Meron po tayong mga links dyan po sa ating description box. And yes, this is for 2024, for coming 2024 for our Aquarius babies. So what is the focus of this reading? Current energy reading for our Aquarius. Okay, ayan. Ngayon pa lang, dito pa lang sa ating unang card ay napakaganda na ng ating card. So, meron tayong card dito for Six of Wands. Actually, ang Six of Wands talaga is more on achievement and victory. Dito pa lang sa ating sa unang card natin, nandito na ang victory and success. And kung meron din tayong mga Aquarius babies for, sabihin natin for our collectives na mga Aquarius, your angels and guides are assuring you for public recognition of your achievement, of your triumph, of your fame, or fame. Nandyan din ang rewards. Six of Wands, kung makikita natin, siya yung pumaparada. Siya yung pumaparada na may hawak-hawak na parang wreath or yung bilog na nakasakay siya sa kabayo. So, ibig sabihin nga nun ay victory and triumph. And most especially doon sa focus ng energy na to, ng card na to, is recognition. And nandito din, they are assuring you for mastering your own crafts. So, magtuloy-tuloy lang, Aquarius babies, magtuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-create ng iyong mga crafts and development for your skill. And don't forget, syempre, dapat magkaroon ng commitment and consistency when it comes to hard work. What else? Ayan, rebirth, diba? So, nandito din ang ating rebirth. Big changes are coming for our Aquarius babies. Dapat, syempre, magkakaroon ka ng malaking transformation and transition if you are going to release something. So, the endings for this year are here, and you have to let it go in order to receive these changes with the Death card. Ayan, changes and big transformation. 2024 din ay pwede mo din i-assure or pwede mo i-expect yung mga transition. Maaaring nararamdaman mo na yan. Meron ka na nang nasimulan. And sa 2024 mo makukuha yung fruitful labor. And yung sabihin natin yung triumph diyan sa yung sinimulan na. Maaaring may sinimulan ka na ngayong taon eh. Pwede ka nang meron ka na sinimulan ngayong taon. And yung tunay na victory ay ma-achieve mo next year. So, nandyan yung tunay na transformation and for sure, nararamdaman mo na siya. Strength card. Ayan. Because of your strength sa mga napagdaanan mo nitong taon na to, nandyan pa rin ang sabihin natin, dapat nandyan pa rin ang yung inner strength. So, when it comes to this victory, kumbaga na-attain mo na to or ito yung kailangan mo. Maaaring ito yung kailangan mo, self-love and self-respect and continuous hard work when it comes to your, sabihin natin, kung meron kang mga kinukulminate na mga ideas, consistency is the key for your transformation. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong Fool. So, ito ay may assurance na. Sa Fool kasi hindi mo alam. You are afraid to start something pag nasa Fool. Pero it is Fool in reverse. So, kumbaga, sabihin natin na sigurado ka na sa kapupuntahan mo. Alam mo Alam mo, nandiyan yung dedication eh. Alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong puntahan. Kumbaga, pinaglaanan mo na siya ng, sabi natin, ng hard work. And alam mo kung saan ka dapat papatungo. And ito yung pinakamatagal mo nang iniintay. 2024 might be the year for your expansion. So, 2 times lumabas ang confidence. So, kailangan maging consistent when it comes to confidence. And the foresight, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, di ba? Reverse ang full natin, kaya nandito ang ating foresight. The 3 of Wands. The foresight and planning. Kumbaga, alam mo ito yung in-startan mong idea, alam mo kung saan siya patutungo. Alam mo kung ano yung magiging fruit of your labor. Pag ito ay pinagbutihan mo, pag nag-continuous ka dito sa mga ideas na nakaplano sa'yo. So, all you have to do is, sabihin natin, meron ka ng, sabihin natin, sa paunti-unti mong hard work, waiting for your ships to sail in. And, kumbaga, yung progress, sabihin natin, ito kasi yung pagtsatsaga, crafting, and yung progress, kailangan daw ay nandun. Every step, kahit sabihin mo every little step, nandyan dapat ang progress. Nandyan dapat ang progress pag sinasabi natin hard work and progress. So, ayan na. Kumbaga, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, alam mo, kaya ito yung tinarget mong idea, alam mo na ito yung kapatutunguhan mo. And, mamaya tayo dyan. But, sa mga, natin, specific, the 2024 is really good for you. Sobrang ganda na, una pa lang, nandyan na ang success. Nandyan na yung mga pinagdaanan mo. Your angels and guides are assuring you na ito ay kung ano man yung hard work. Ito yung sabihin natin pag-harvest. Ito yung taon ng harvest mo. Kung ano man yung mga pinaghirapan mo last year, ngayong paparating na year, ngayon mo makikita kung ano yung, yes, ayan, commitment. Overcommitment, ayan. So, dito, sa 2 of Pentacles, dati lagi, ang energy kasi dyan is the limbo energy. Yung limbo energy, kumbaga, yun talaga yung focus ng energy na when it comes to 2 of Pentacles or Pentacles. Pero, pag ito ay naka-reverse, ibig sabihin, you are sure ka na. You are well-determined kung ano yung patutunguhan mo. Hindi ka nag-uurong-sulong dito. Hindi ka nag-hot and cold. Kasi pag yung 2 of Pentacles, dalawa yun eh. Kumbaga, nagbabalanse ka. Dito, sure ka na. Alam mo na kung meron ka, yung organization na meron ka, sabihin natin, na-harmonize mo na to, hindi ka na nagdadalawang isip pa dito, sure ka na. Kaya, ayan, maganda yung card, ayan, kasi nandito yung foresight. And then, lumitaw ang reverse of 2 of Pentacles. So, sure ka na. Sure na mangyayari sa iyo yan, na maa-achieve mo itong ating unang card, napakagandang 6 of Wands, the recognition. Sa lahat ng pinagharapan mo ngayong taon, may victory na paparating sa iyo, my dear Aquarius. Okay, so punta tayo sa love portion. Ayan, okay. And eto, sige, ihabol natin ditong si reverse na High Priestess reversed. Si High Priestess reversed kasi, pag yan ay sabihin natin, pag yan ay upright, ibig sabihin, hindi pa natin alam. May tendency, hindi pa natin sigurado kung ano yung patutunguhan natin, hindi natin nakikita ang mga bagay-bagay. But, ayan, reverse siya. So, ito ay supporting card natin when it comes to dito sa ating 3 of Wands, when it comes to reverse in full, and also reverse of 2 of Pentacles. Ayan, reverse ulit ngayon yung ating High Priestess na kung saan ay secretive or hindi pa alam ang mangyayari. So, ibig sabihin, you are predicting napapredict mo ni. Nararamdaman mo to. Alam mo na pag naging consistent ka sa hard work, meron talaga. sure na may mangyayaring progress, na may mangyayaring triumph and acclaim for this workmanship or hard work. Diba? Self-confidence, huwag mawawalan ng, sabihin natin, huwag panghihinaan ng loob every time na makaka-encounter ng something. Make it sure andyan ang self-confidence. Huwag kang mawawalan ng direction. Huwag kang mawawalan ng direction, huwag kang mawawalan ng courage, and also yung compassion. Nandiyan, importante yan when sabihin natin nandito ka lang sa state ng triumph. Hindi pwedeng, para ma-maintain mo yan, kailangan andyan pa rin ang compassion. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, 2 times lumabas sa card mo ang confidence, inner stillness with our strength. Okay. Okay, punta tayo sa love portion natin for our Aquarius babies. Ayan. I think, meron tayo ditong isa na, kaya sinabi ko, the Lover's card. So, makikita natin nag-harmonize na kung papabor sa'yo lahat ng ideas na sinimulan mo, ay papabor sa'yo. Maybe, some of you, for my dear collectives na hindi pa siguro nasisimulan pero nasa isip mo na papabor sa iyo yung mangyayari, magkakaroon to ng harmonization. And when it comes to love portion naman, the Lover's card, if you are single, you might meet someone with deep connection, with deep soul connection. So when it comes to I feel na pag kasi lumabas ang unions, I feel the good karmic relationship here. Kumbaga, meron kasing, sabihin natin, meron talaga kayong mga soulmates, but yung soulmates na yon, it's either karmic or good, healthy soulmate. So, pag sinabi natin good, healthy soulmate, nandyan yung harmonization ng relationship. When it comes to karmic naman na relationship, kumbaga, na-meet mo, part to ng iyong soulmate na kailangan bigyan ka nila ng lessons. So, dito sa card natin, the Lover's card, you are aligned with someone with deep soul connection. Kung ikaw naman ay, sabihin nating, I feel, for those of singles, no? Pero kung ikaw ay in relationship, nandyan ang balance and harmony. Nandyan ang alignment. Kumbaga, magpapatuloy pa rin yan. Pero ito, union and unity talaga ang You might meet someone. You might meet someone with deep soul connection. Okay. So, ito ay sabihin nating mabilis. Okay, ito ay pwede nating isabihin mabilis, napakabilis niya. Mamaya na tayo dito sa character. Mabilis, agad mong ma-meet. Once na na-meet mo to, sabihin natin impulsive. Nandyan yung impulsive na energy, mabilis towards this Lover's card eh. Yes, the energy, charming, adventurous. Kumbaga, mabilis kasi ang Knight of Wands. And syempre, Wands siya, kaya nandyan din ang passion. Okay. For those of my Aquarius babies, the King of Pentacles, okay. So, maganda to, sa nasa love portion na tayo, you might meet someone with a practical leader characteristics. So, sabihin natin more on, Pentacles ulit. More on, meron tong mga, sabihin natin, more on big deals sa kanya, someone na kilala, prominente when it comes to financial stability. Kilala siya sa kanyang abundance and of course sa kanyang financial security. So dito, kumbaga, ito yung maaaring sabihin natin, someone na mamimit mo na hindi niya poproblemahin ang pera. na sabihin natin na hindi niya someone kasi the King of Pentacles talagang iyan talaga ay kumbaga kilala bilang sabihin natin prominente, leader, and of course yung may mga stability. Okay. Okay, for those of, sabihin natin in relationship naman, natin mga collectives, may tendency din na you are coming to have a maternal or sabihin natin pregnancy. Fertility for coming 2024. Fertility, the Empress card. Ayan. Okay, so Empress card, nandiyan yung creation of life. For those of single, may someone na darating na kung saan ay ina-nurture ka at aalagaan. Someone who's really caring when it comes to love. Ayan, puno siya ng butterfly, our Empress. But yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa mga nag-iintay ng baby, yes, magkakaroon kayo ng baby next for the coming 2024. Year 2024. Again, the transition 2 times. With the Six of Swords, ayan. When it comes to love life, for those of who is in a relationship, may transition na manggaganap, maaaring proposal, maaaring calmer waters, maaaring another level, kasi papunta na dun sa another journey, transitions, or for those of you na in singles, for those of our singles naman, breakups, kung may breakups, ayan, 2024 is your year for moving on, moving lessons, and the time that you will going to accept the lessons. So, ito yung 2024 na kailangan daw ay iwan mo na, talikuran mo na kung ano man ang nangyari for the previous years for our collectives. What else for our Aquarius babies? Okay, let go. Let go for someone na sabi natin puro conflict. Kung ikaw ay sa tingin mo, mararamdaman mo naman yun kung ikaw ay papasok sa isang relasyon na may conflict, may competition, you know what I mean? When it comes to competition, parang nararamdaman mo may kakompetensya ka sa taong yun. And sabihin natin yung mga ego-driven din, let go. Leave that behind. Kalimutan na sila or sabihin natin, umiwas ka sa ganitong klase ng tao because you deserve. Intayin mo, sabihin natin, believe na there's someone coming for you to unite with your heart. So, leaving behind, moving on with someone na parang kumbaga lagi ka lang nakakaramdam ng disharmony, ng conflict, and ginagamitan ka ng ego. Okay? Okay, release. O, di ba nakapagitna? Nakapagitna yung sa card na to. Release, una transition, leaving behind, moving on, and distance. Dumistansya ka sa mga taong matataas ang ego, sa relationship na magbibigay ng conflict, sa relationship na magpaparamdam sa iyo ng competition, sa relationship na may disharmony and misalignment. So, nandito ang release. Ipahinga mo na yung sarili mo dyan, and freedom. Light. It's time for you, this is year to lighten your load. Kahit sabihin mo may konting pang hope dun sa taong yun, but eto, dalawang card na ang lumitaw, let go. Pag nakakaramdam ka ng conflict, ang taong yun ay sabihin natin ego-driven or napakataas ng ego. Pag nakakaramdam ka ng competition sa taong to, and misalignment of course, let it go. It's time for you to let it go. Wag mo na siyang baunin sa 2024. Okay, it may causes you lack of movement. If babaunin mo pa siya, self-discipline, give up. Kasi it might lose direction. pag sabihin natin nag-stay ka sa taong yun, ayan, nakaabang na sa'yo yung taong para sa'yo. Pero dapat mag-let go ka dun sa someone na yun na sabihin natin, siguro nga mahirap, pero ilan na, ayan na. Kumbaga, yun yung nagko-cause sa'yo ng lack of movement, yung taong yun. Kaya kailangan mo na siyang i-let go. I-release ang pain. Forgive that someone. Ayan, with our Three of Swords, you have to recover physically and emotional healing. Okay? So, di ba? Sobrang ano dito, meron siguro there are some of our collectives na parang may someone na hindi makamove on, hindi nila mabitawan or malimutan. It's time for you to introspect, to soul search. It's time for you for being alone. Okay, I get the message. Your 2024 is assuring you for unions. May tendency na mamimit mo dito yung iyong mga someone with deep soul connection, but you are into someone. Maybe na nahihirapan ka mag-move on, but our cards and our angels are telling you to have an introspection. Doon makikita mo yung mga lessons na ano ba yung mga natutunan mong lessons for that someone? O with that someone, ano ba yung mga natutunan mong lessons? It's time for you to have a spiritual illumination. Makita mo kung ano yung naging epekto sa'yo. It's time for you to being alone. You have to be alone muna before mo ma-meet itong unions. Itong unang card natin, the lovers, and yung, sabi natin, yung deep soul connection. Kasi, kailangan mo munang mag-contemplate from this someone yung nakasakit sa'yo. Okay? What else? When it comes to friendship, your friendship for year 2024. Sabihin natin surroundings. Yan, nandiyan na rin yung miracles and the North Star. Okay, you are healing. So, pag kasi healed ka, you attract more positivity. And sabihin natin, you causes sabihin natin, nagdudulot ka ng inspirasyon sa someone. Kasi ang ano na to is, yung query na to about surroundings na yun, about other people. So, the star card, napakaganda ng star card kasi ito ay very inspirational when it comes to surroundings. Nagniningning ang star, and maybe sa'yo nagkaroon ka ng rejuvenation, and sa yung paligid naman, inspiration, na kumbaga, nakikita ka as positive one, as inspiration, as motivation. Okay. So, kumbaga, you inspire someone by being yourself. You inspire someone by being yourself. Ano pa? What else? Okay. And for our Aquarius, yes, 2024 is your emotional, matured, and balanced character. So, nandyan ang compassionate 3 times na lumitaw sa atin. And of course, when it comes to surroundings, ikaw ay makikita as someone na very supportive and very empath. Kumbaga, you are also recognized as someone na very caring and very matured emotionally. Kumbaga, ikaw yung someone na maaasahan, mapagkakatiwalaan, and yung marunong makiramdam. Ikaw ay sabihin nating other people see you as that someone na very matured when it comes to their emotion. And of course, empathetic. Or marunong kang makisimpatya. Nandiyan ang compassionate mo for your surroundings. Ramdam mo kung ano ang nangyayari sa paligid. Of course, nandiyan ang support. And you will be also recognized as someone na merong healthy boundaries sa iyong paligid. So, ito, then, ina-advise for our specific collectives na as you matured, you people or you are surrounded by people na nare-recognize ka as matured one na alam mo kung ano ang healthy boundaries. Alam mo kung paano mo protektahan ang iyong privacy and ang iyong sarili. Standing your ground, yan. Okay, when it comes to your surroundings, you have to set a healthy boundaries and stand your grounds. And also, the emperor. Okay, you are also recognized by your surroundings about your leadership and your control when it comes to discipline and focus. So dito sa 2024, you are recognized or people might see you as sabihin natin someone in control. Kumbaga, someone that deserves respect because of their emotional maturity and compassionate, being compassionate with. Okay. You are able also to handle your, sabihin natin, pag-overthink and fear. Okay, punta naman tayo, message from your angels for the year 2024. Yes, abundance is coming for our Aquarius babies. Ayan. Okay, abundance kasi unang ano natin eh, parang pentacles. Diba? Our second card is the Eight of Pentacles. So, abundance are waving for 2024. Nahalo. Okay, just continues to create. Use your hands. Just continue to craft. Okay, another message for our angels. Questions. Within the next few weeks. Okay, habang ginagawa natin pa ilang weeks na lang talaga ay 2024 na. So, they are assuring you and of course, ask more. Ask your angels, ano pa ba ang gusto mo? Basta, kumbaga, lagi lang naman yan andyan ang yung angels because the manifestations andyan. Manifestations are coming. Just ask your angels, ano pa yung gusto mong dumating sa'yo for that year. Last one. Also, they are giving you helpful people. Aside from your angels, they are assuring you, okay, this is a year for your soul tribe. You will going to meet some people with deep connections, with deep soul connection, and of course, ito, yung mga helpful people. Kumbaga, makikilala mo dito yung mga taong tunay na kaibigan, yung mga taong, sabihin natin, part ng inyong soul tribe. Animal spirit for the year 2024. See the big picture for the year 2024. As sabi ko nga sa inyo, na-foresight now with the Three of Wands. Alam mo, kumbaga, na-assume mo ni. Alam mo yung kapupuntahan mo. See the big picture in every little or small step. Dapat merong progress. And see the big picture. What else? You are never alone. Okay? Yung card natin super, very, very aligned siya. See the big picture with the Three of Wands and the Outer Spirit with you're never alone because helpful people are coming in your way for 2024, my dear Aquarius. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, that's it. That's all for this reading for Aquarius babies. What's ahead for 2024. You can watch this if you are Sun, Moon, or Rising Sign. Aquarius with Sun, Moon, or Rising Sign, and even Venus. And that's all for this reading. I see you in my next one.